Welcome to video 3 of the inventory tutorial series. In this video we will build an inventory product from the 3 raw material identifiers, set its price, add an ad hoc labor element, and place it in a product group. A correct product is a defined collection of identifiers that, when assembled, become a finished item tracked in inventory. Open Aspects Inventory Product. The view splits into 2 horizontal panels. Products and their detail are on top, identifier selection is on the bottom. Right-click the product list and choose Add Inventory Product. For this example I will name it Drone Frame Kit. Enter a price of $250 and select Fixed Amount. Fixed amount means correct always invoices exactly $250 regardless of the actual component costs. Ideal for a standard catalog item. Generate the product identifier. Notice the product gets its own unique ID. That ID will track finished kits separately from the raw materials. Do not save yet. We need to add the required inventory first. In the lower panel, type the full identifier name or partial plus wildcard into the lookup field and press Tab. The list fills with matching identifiers. You may also select an identifier from the groups. Right-click aluminum tube 12N and choose Add Identifier to Drone Frame Kit. In the required inventory table, set quantity cost per unit. We will repeat for carbon plate, quantity 1, cost $42. And hardware pack, quantity 1, cost $28. You can also drag identifiers directly from the group tree on the lower left. Both methods produce the same result. Ad hoc elements let you include any cost that has no inventory identifier. Labor is the classic example. Right-click the table and choose Ad hoc. An empty row appears. I will fill in assembly labor, 2 hours at $35 each. Notice the total at the bottom of the table now reflects all components. Click Save. One last step, create a product group and drag the kit into it. Same concept as identifier groups, purely organizational. That completes video 3. In video 4 we order the raw materials and receive them into stock. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video.